Are you a prospective parent? Are you a prospective student? Are you considering sending your child to the Idlewild Arts Academy? Are you considering coming to the Idlewild Arts Academy? Do you fancy focusing on the thing that you love to do and are passionate about and doing it as an actual subject in your curriculum? If you fit any of the above criteria, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever in the world you may be. My name is Joe Davis, and I am a second-year senior at the Idlewild Arts Academy of Idlewild, California. And today I'm here to talk to you about the open house that we are currently hosting. It wouldn't be current if I'm announcing it. We are inviting you, the parent, or you, the student, to attend the virtual student performance on October 30th at 6 o'clock p.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. Californian time. That's PDT. This is a performance to showcase the currently enrolled students at Idlewild and show you what they've been getting up to over the past few weeks. For instance, here's an example of a student performance that would be shown at the showcase. And this is a performance by a young Jamaican by the name of Joe Davis.
Smiling's free, and tomorrow may not be guaranteed. When the seasons change, it may not be easy, but I know we'll make sunshine on rainy days. Ooh, life is good, even with all my doubts. Oh, with faith I know we'll get there somehow. There may be some problems that we have to face, and I know we'll make a way, and I know we'll make a way. Someday I will have my paradise, somewhere where the music gets me paralyzed. But until then I'm still content with my surprise, 'cause that's special in my eyes. Life is good, even with all my doubts. Oh, with faith I know we'll get there somehow. And there may be some problems that we have to face, but I know we'll make a way. A way, a way.
So that's an example of what would be shown at the showcase. So be sure to tune in October 30th from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. PDT. Thank you for listening to this short advertisement, and we hope to see you there. The Idlewild Arts Academy will 100% be held responsible for any joy, delight, or pleasure that is gained from watching these virtual student performances. If you enjoyed the student showcase, consider attending or sending your child to the Idlewild Arts Academy so that they can take part in future showcases as well and make you proud. No seatbelts included. This message is brought to you by the Idlewild Arts Academy. We hope to see you soon.